Welcome to the AI Summer Crash Course. This beginner-friendly introduction will guide you from the basics of electricity to understanding the powerful machines like ChatGPT and how they simulate the mind. Our journey today covers 7 key areas, from defining AI and its evolution to exploring the layers of AI and the job opportunities within the field. We will also review current AI tools, how to use them, and their applications across various sectors. Intelligence is the ability to learn, reason, and adapt. Its pillars are perception, reasoning, and action. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of this human intelligence by machines, enabling them to learn from data. The key difference is that natural intelligence is biological, while AI is mathematical, driven by algorithms. The evolution of AI spans centuries, starting with basic electrical infrastructure. Key milestones include Alan Turing's computing theory, the Dartmouth Conference coining artificial intelligence in 1956, and the rise of expert systems. Deep learning revolutionized image recognition in 2012, followed by the breakthrough of transformers in 2017, leading to the current generative AI era. The AI ecosystem has layers offering various job opportunities. The user/application layer is the most accessible. As you move toward the core, you find the AI coding/model, infrastructure, energy, and the specialized semiconductor/hardware layers. Each level requires distinct skills, from prompt design to advanced engineering. Comparing AI and natural intelligence reveals similarities, like instant photo recognition. However, there are differences. AI instantly translates across 100+ languages, while humans take years. AI excels at competitive games, yet struggles significantly with common sense and learning from a single example, which humans generalize instantly. AI consists of layers, like nesting dolls. Artificial intelligence is the broadest concept. Machine learning is a subset of AI, using algorithms to learn patterns. Deep learning, a subset of ML, uses multi-layered neural networks. Finally, generative AI, or Gen AI, creates new content using models like GPT and DALL-E. Today's AI landscape is filled with powerful tools. We have conversational encoding AI like ChatGPT and Claude. Multimodal models like Gemini handle text, images, and code. Specific tools such as DALL-E 3 and Midjourney focus on image generation, and Sora creates text-to-video content. We can harness AI in practical ways. Prompt engineering helps us give clear instructions for tasks. Use AI for research and summaries of long documents, and for content creation like drafting emails or social captions. It's also great for code and automation, image and media creation, and data analysis by finding trends in spreadsheets. AI use cases span numerous sectors. In healthcare, it aids in diagnosis and drug discovery. Finance benefits from fraud detection and algorithmic trading. Education uses AI for personalized tutoring. Manufacturing relies on predictive maintenance. Agriculture uses it for crop detection, while transport employs it for self-driving cars. Retail uses recommendation engines, and legal uses it for contract review and research. The future is intelligent, and you can shape it. Remember that understanding AI's limits makes you smarter, and ML and deep learning are its driving forces. The best tool is the one you know how to prompt well. AI is a co-pilot, not a replacement. Your creativity is the key differentiator.